What's up, guys? Luxide here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. Growth in crypto is very important. Okay, we do not need or want stagnancy. There's a lot of developments that can be made and have been made over the last decade. At the rate that technology is advancing, there's a good opportunity for the future that crypto can get better, faster, more efficient. There's better options that can come in the future through innovation. Okay. And one of the things that helps innovation is, support and finances. And there are now chains that are going out of their way to help fund these sort of developments. So BNB chain actually just introduced a $10 million fund to incentivize project growth on the blockchain. Now, excuse me. Now, BNB is not the first of many chains, right? To start this sort of thing. Actually, XRP, for example, has a huge finance fund for incentivizing growth. It's actually a $250 million fund. Not to downplay what BNB is doing, but we're starting to see this more and more where chains are trying to help promote growth. And these sorts of things, for example, they're going to support projects at various stages of growth and provide direct support for user acquisition. So these are very important things as, again, we look towards the future, because cryptocurrency, blockchain, all of Web3 can only get better from here. There's so many new things that are, happening and being created every single day. I mean, there's chains, for example, that are in development right now that have block times that are faster than anything out there, or have fees that are less than anything out there, have better scalability. There's all these solutions that come through R&D and innovation and development. And unfortunately, not everybody has the means to help get to these points, right? Not everybody has multi-million dollars of funding to get their project going, get it off the ground, get it to a point where it's even able to be tested and see if it's a viable, option for the chain or for really anything, right? So I obviously just wanted to make sure I highlighted this. It's very important that people know that these sorts of things are happening. So especially if you are, if you have this grand idea, don't give up. Okay. There are these opportunities out there for it to help fund your vision. So just keep in mind, these things are out there. Don't give up on your dreams. I didn't know I was going to get so insightful on this, but definitely dig further into this to see what you can find. I'm sure we'll see more and more of these things come along as time goes on. And I'm really excited to see what kind of development and innovations can come from these. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, make sure you do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out the ClearCryptos token, which has actually been just insane. It's been exploding like crazy. The ClearCryptos swap has been phenomenal. There's all sorts of things I can't even mention in this video because I don't want it to get too long-winded. But make sure you pop in the Discord too. Check that out. And I guess I hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys.